kumanyibuna umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ni Goikerana imeya Addis Ababa Ethiopia ase EGEIKARO KW'ERIRE chinse chorogongorwa Africa eliokumurikira OGOONCHORERIA KW'ERIRE okwananigo abolia chinse chorogongorwa Africa kubwaterana eliogokora omuchando yo asamatuko abosio nonyanabo nigaenekia okubwaterana gwa Africa na Caribbean nigokora tinye obokoreri ase kegori kiabono nekikegocha.
By strengthening our joint efforts, developing common strategies and advancing coordinated initiatives, Africa and Caribbean can ensure that reparations speak not only to the injustices of the past, but also to the inequalities of the present and the promise of the future. Let us seize this moment to build a partnership that delivers lasting and meaningful impact for our peoples today and for generations yet to come. Special drawing rights were intended to support climate action and resilience. They must not become another instrument of conditionality. The Resilience and Sustainable Facility designed to channel SDRs for climate has become an add-on to IMF programs bound by traditional conditions. SDRs must serve people, not procedure. Number 5, energy sector integration. IMF debt sustainability analysis must account for energy sector reform. Without significant investment in power systems, green industrialization will remain a deferred dream. IMF's common framework must be reformed to deliver real relief, not merely more processes. As it is now, it is an engagement of a never-ending process network that by the time it comes to fruition, most countries will have already undergone significant distress. Number 2, replenishment of consensual windows. IDA and the Africa Development Fund, ADF, are lifelines for Africa and other developing regions. Unless replenished at scale, development finance will remain significantly and severely